Today we have a university called European Digital University. I am Siddiq Muhammad. Today we are going to have some very important people. To start with, I would like to invite Sheikh Muhammad Ahmad to do a prayer. أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا.
وشيوخ الإمارات جميعا يا رب العالمين وفقنا لكل خير وأبعد عنا كل سوء من شر يا ذا الجلال والإكرام.
More than 10 million transactions in crypto, okay, and done more than $1 billion business. So I done lot of study about this thing. That's why I invited you. And Muhammad Ali, the founder of Eazybot. She's going to try and tell you about all these things.
This information is basically the data of that block, whatever, if it's a financial transaction, the amount, the quantity, and the date of that transaction. And also there is a serial number that's created for that transaction. And that box or that block is also including the
Muhammad, thank you very much. Today we are going to present the 30 billion dirham project here. Okay, so how we are going to tokenize that project along with Mr. Muhammad about all these things. How the Eazybot can make you money even while you're sleeping. You don't have to do anything. Say, no money, no life, money for all. Can you everybody say no money, no life, money for all.
Universe, let's sing and dance the money song from European Digital University. No money, no life, money for all. No money, no life, money for all. No money, no life, money for all. Conquer this world with the power of money. Everyone needs a crypto wallet. Crypto, 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 crypto is life. Crypto, 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 crypto is life.
Thank you very much. 2, 3. Bitcoin.
Good.
This one, keep it in. I hold it the knife, huh? It's coming good.
इस वक्त हम यहाँ दुबई में मौजूद है जहाँ पे एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी इवेंट हो रहा है जिसका ईजीबॉट के नाम से एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी जो मार्केट में है, वो कंपनी है जो आपको ट्रेड और इसके बारे में बताती है. Yes, Mr. Muhammad Ali is with us. Let us know about the crypto. What is the crypto and how to deal with that? Welcome to
Thank
our
you very
channels.
much. Thank you very much. Well, crypto, as I mentioned in the presentation, it's a digital asset, and we have to deal with it this way if we're trading in spot trading. I mean, our bot doesn't trade in more dangerous ways like leverage and future. We trade as an asset, as a spot trading. So buy low, sell high, and make profit. That's as easy as it is. You have to have a clear strategy of what you want to do and stick to your strategy. You should not really be jumping around and use your emotions. The moment you use your emotion, you lose your money. If you are trading manually, then you have to know what you're doing. You have to really make your strategy and work on it and write it down and stick to it. Don't really change. And if you are using automated way like Eazybot, then it's even easier for you, because in Eazybot you can use the default strategy that I created 2 years back or 3 years back, which is now made more than 7 million to our users in profits. You can just stick on the strategy and it works for you. Otherwise, if you are a trader, you can use your own settings and then let it trade for you, because the software doesn't have emotions. It follows the instructions strictly. It just buys whenever it has to buy, it sells when it has to sell, and at the end make you profit.
Welcome to Haqaiq News and Raise News.
أهلا وسهلا بكم. تشرفنا في هذا اللقاء الطيب المبارك، حفل توزيع الدكتوراه الفخرية مع بروفيسور صديق، وهذا الحفل الطيب المبارك والوجوه هذه الطيبة المنيرة ما شاء الله. جزاكم الله خير. أنصح الجميع بالاهتمام بالعلم. العلم هو الذي يصنع الإنسان. قال سبحانه وتعالى: يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات. فبالعلم ترقى الأمم. وأيضا أنصحه بالتوسع في آفاق الثقافات الأخرى، مثل الآن هذا تعلم الديجيتال كرنسي، بلوكشين، العملات الرقمية. هذه ترفع أيضا من شأن الإنسان ويصبح عنده مادة. المال هو قوام الحياة، فمن كان عنده مال، المؤمن القوي خير وأحب إلى الله من المؤمن الضعيف. المؤمن الغني أفضل من الفقير، حتى يكون عنده صدقات، يذهب للحج للعمرة، يساعد المرضى، يساعد المساكين. فهذا يعني شيء طيب، وأنصح الجميع بهذه الأعمال الطيبة. جزاكم الله خيرا. شكرا لكم.
हकीकत से पेरा सईद मोहम्मद अली उसका नाम है, इंडियन वाला। बाद में हम गया मुंबई, कश्मीर गया, बेंगलुरु गया, हैदराबाद गया। उधर 2 आदमी हमारा पास है, हमारा टीचर है, पीसी सरकार और मोदगार्ड। उस लिए सिखाया हमको मैजिक। बाद में अमेरिका गया, इंटरनेशनल ब्रदरहुड ऑफ द मैजिशियन। After that, Merlin Award, take it for 3 Merlin Award. बाद में इधर आया, इधर जादू किया, बहुत लोग समूह सत्यानाश। 1000 अंदर क्या हो जाएगा तुमको? हाँ, ये बात है,
ये बात है, खुशी होएगा ना 1000।
खुश होना के हंसो।
I am very honored and excited to be given such a doctorate for the business in excellence. The industry is changing and we have to adapt and evolve with it. And I think education is such an important aspect. So my name is Sabrina Deeb and I am so excited for the world to change. The crypto market has been open for a couple of years now. And we have definitely seen some highs and lows in it. And just like anything that is new in this world, we have to take risks. And I think for the risk of the future, this is something that is worthwhile.
Right now I feel very honored and I'm very happy that I got this award. And many kids my age, many of them like play, go to school, they go to classes, they do extra curriculars and all. But then for me, since I was young, from 3.5 years old itself, my parents, I love to dance. So my parents sent me to dancing. So then later, now I'm learning dance for 9 years and I'm doing my diploma 4th year. I'm going to finish my diploma 4th year and I'm soon going to be a diploma holder in Bharatanatyam. And I love Bharatanatyam so much. So I think because of God's grace, I got this award and also because of my family's blessings. Thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I congratulate Dr. Siddiqui for this event. Today he has organized very well. Everybody came to know regarding this crypto, what it is, how it is. It's the future of our world. We wanted to develop and learn about this. Each and every citizen of the world has to learn about this cryptocurrency, which is the future of this world. Inshallah, today's program was really, it's a good, successful. All the innovators and the doctorate who has got the doctorate for them, I congratulate on my own behalf, on the behalf of these organizers. I congratulate you all, sir. Thank you very much.
What you're trying to do, and we really believe this is what is going to change the world, and because of that reason we are here to educate people. The program, the project what we have created is to make people understand the basics and the fundamentals of blockchain, and once you understand the blockchain, you same way you apply that to the crypto, and that is the way. Once you understand, then only we can expand and grow the world and create miracles. Thank you.
इस वक्त हम यहाँ दुबई में मौजूद हैं, जहाँ पे एक क्रिप्टो जो है वो एजुकेशन के हवाले से एक सेमिनार था यहाँ पे, और क्रिप्टो
वर्ल्ड मेटा समिट
हुई है यहाँ पे, और उसके जो करता धरता हैं जनाब प्रोफेसर सिद्दीक साहब, तो आज के हवाले से इनसे बात करते हैं। जी प्रोफेसर साहब, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेलकम टू आवर चैनल्स, एंड यू हैव a big vision and doing a lot. In the cryptocurrency, you start World Meta Submission, and then many things you have done. And now you start for this bitcoins and other coins trading as well.
So what happened today? Today it's a blessing. It's a blessing today because I'm at SPJ University campus, and this is one of the world biggest organization in the world, established in 1950. You can see what they've done and everything. So I'm the founder chancellor of European Digital University, and with me the founder or president of Universal Blockchain University from America, Florida. Okay, and today with me, Mr. Somebody come from Karnataka. He is a high-level politician. Okay, from the BJP party, and he come all the way. And we have Dr. Mundasar come from Abu Dhabi. Okay, Mundasar come from Abu Dhabi. Sheikh Ahmad is a very important person. He is a blessed man. So what is our vision? Okay, educate the whole world. Educate, including children, especially orphan children, orphan yatim. Okay, about this cryptocurrency, because we say we all are universal citizens. Or we all are universal citizens. We are above nations. We are above religions. We are above caste. We are the universe. There are 8 billion universe in this world. But nothing can be done without the power of money. Unfortunately, the money of the world in the hands of few people. They control the world, they rule the world. Because of the technology, the ideology introduced by the British Empire. The British Empire brought the idea of centralization of power and money. Everything is centrally controlled. That idea, because of that idea, all the money, power of this world went into the hands of some people. Now, all the people, they don't want any other middleman. Okay, anybody can open including a nursery class student. A nursery class student, they can open a cryptocurrency account in 2 minutes, connected to the entire world, because we are universal. Okay, and nobody can stand against technology. Why I repeat all this thing? People don't know the logic behind this. Everybody say crypto, I want to make money. It's all fake. First, you understand this technology, the idea, the logic behind this technology. Once you understand the logic, you can conquer the world. Without understanding the logic, you cannot put your heart and soul into this technology, because it's like when I say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah, means I say there is only one God in this universe, control the whole universe. Okay, there are not too many. So means it's a logic coming to my mind, because we say, okay, if there are many gods come, they will start fighting, they will kill each other, like the human. So it's a logic. The same way we say we are here for a short period. We are not here for thousands of years. It's a very short life for every human. Okay, and there is no guarantee for anybody's life. Okay, the first thing, educate your children how to make money. Because there is no guarantee for us. There is no guarantee for your body, my body, on my life. Anything we can go from this world. Nobody in this world can live without money. Okay, even if I want to die, I need money. Okay. So here, now Sid, come with the idea, tokenization of real estate. There are $400 trillion worth of real estate in the world. Okay, the whole economic system of the world will change through cryptocurrency, because now the world GDP is $100 trillion, but 90% unused human potential. Unused human potential. Because whatever talents I have, whatever ideas I have, what can I do without money? You give the money power to the people, then you see the miracle. So what I am saying, this $100 trillion GDP can go up to 1,000 trillion by 2050 if we educate.